Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Mac OS and Logic Pro X must match the keyboard's drivers, if any. Next, plug the keyboard into a free USB port or through a class-compliant MIDI interface. Use a powered hub only if needed. Once connected, open Logic and create a new project. Then go to Logic Pro X Preferences MIDI and make sure your device appears and is enabled. This enables Logic to receive data. It also helps avoid phantom input and routing confusion later. With the device recognized, create a software instrument track and pick the plugin you'll play. Now set the track's input to the keyboard. Choose the correct MIDI channel if the keyboard transmits on a specific one. Enable input monitoring to hear sounds while you play, and arm the track to record. Next, tweak velocity curve and key sensitivity in the plugin or the MIDI transform window so dynamics feel natural. Once done, test keys and pedals to confirm continuous controller messages arrive as expected. Now route and record. Press record and play a short phrase to create a MIDI region, then open the piano roll to edit notes and CC lanes. If you're controlling external gear, use Logic's external instrument or route via IAC bus to send /receive MIDI. Once you've confirmed recording and playback, save templates to speed future sessions. If nothing appears, first swap the USB cable and try another port, then verify drivers. Disable local control on the keyboard, and confirm Mac Audio/MIDI setup sees the device. These steps solve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.